Hi, so I thought to make a video about Enneagram 9. I didn't actually prepare anything this time. I wanted to see how it goes. I will follow the track of every other video I made, but I won't really follow the track. I won't really follow anything written in advance. So, who's an Enneagram 9? An Enneagram 9 is someone that in childhood has lived an experience in which they have felt unheard. So basically, your Enneagram 9 is the person that copes with life and has as a defense mechanism narcotization. They narcotize themselves because they are taught, they are given the idea, they learn in infancy that their opinion doesn't matter, that they do not matter, that everything that everybody else does matters more. Pay attention, because this is a common trait with Enneagram 2 in a way. Enneagram 2 can feel the same way. But what concerns Enneagram 9, things in this sense are pushed to the extreme that the child really gets to the point of forgetting their own self. Enneagram 2 forgets their own needs to gain love. Enneagram 9 forgets themselves to exist. Enneagram 9 looks from an exterior point of view. When you look at an Enneagram 9, you're going to see a very calm, very pondered, and very relaxed person. Someone even potentially radiating some sort of animal energy that looks a little bit like a halo or an aura. They are peaceful, and even in the most entranced states, they look as if they are healthy. That's because their main focus is about you. And everything they do when they interact with you is give you back. Enneagram 9 works as a catalyzer and kaleidoscope, basically. Enneagram 9 absorbs the external environment and the other person's needs to the point that they feel them as their own. Once they've taken these needs and they feel them as their own, they keep this perfect, this clarity of mind, that they're actually not their own needs. Their only need, and the only need that they will follow, would be to fulfill those needs. And that's not to gain something in return. They do not do that because the person will love them. They do not do that because the other person's happiness gives them happiness. They do that because they are taught that their only way and their only modality of existence. Enneagram 9 integrates to 3 and disintegrates to 6. What does it mean? It means that the more Enneagram 9 lets go to paranoia and tries to find a personal identity, the more Enneagram 9 disintegrates. I personally find Enneagram 9 as one of the weirdest and possibly even saddest Enneagrams in the whole Enneagram rows. And that's because Enneagram 9 integrating to 3 means that Enneagram 9's way to gain an identity is that to gain an identity by association. They need someone with a very strong identity to give them the reference point, a starting point to develop their own identity. If Enneagram 2 has an identity for every person they cross, Enneagram 9 has zero identity. Like I said in my introduction video, Enneagram 9 is absence of identity exponentialized. To the point, like I'm saying, that Enneagram 9 finds its identity by association. How does it display in physical terms? In physical terms, meaning in body reaction, health matters, we have someone gaining a lot of weight out of the blue. And that weight is gained when the person is starting feeling the conflict within. When Enneagram 9 comes close to someone, Enneagram 9 starts feeling afraid of losing that someone. And the moment Enneagram 9 starts feeling this fear of loss or fear of separation, Enneagram 9 starts developing defenses, which are mirrored in the body via increasing weight, meaning if I keep you at a distance, you're not going to hurt me. So they start building mass, because the mass acts as a pillow, keeping everybody at a distance, especially the beloved person. Another reaction that Enneagram 9 tends to have is skin outbursts, like acne, for example. Enneagram 9 tends to have these outbursts, these eczemas, allergies, acne, reactions of the skin anyway, for the very same reason that they develop physical mass. And the reason is their body is trying to make itself unattractive. Like, if I develop all these things, you're not going to touch me. And if you don't touch me, then I do not risk you going away because you didn't touch me. What is all this thing about keeping people at a distance? Enneagram 9 doesn't ever take a decision. Enneagram 9 doesn't take a position. Enneagram 9 is unconditional love in the purest form. But it can be entranced. What does it mean? It means that Enneagram 9, not taking a decision, can advocate any position of anybody. Same reason why they raise mass and they develop the skin problems. If I don't take a decision about anything, if I do not have a position, then you're not seeing who I truly am. You're not seeing my opinions. You're not seeing my way of thinking. You're not seeing how I react to things. And you're not going to touch my soul. The reason is that these reactions give Enneagram 9 an idea of actually existing. Like, if my soul is so protected that you cannot even see that it is there, I know that it's going to be there. But actually what happens is that Enneagram 9 forgets about their soul, which is, to be honest, a good thing, because the moment Enneagram 9 forgets about themselves is the moment Enneagram 9 starts integrating. So if you're looking for unconditional love, Enneagram 9 is probably the answer to every wish you ever had. Just pay attention that they are at least, if not self-actualized, at least going on the path of self-actualization. Because otherwise, the unconditional love you dream so much is going to turn against you. What else can I say about Enneagram 9? I think I will stop here for now. There's many things to say about this Enneagram, especially about unconditional love. They can give a lot. They are extremely loving. But when someone doesn't take a position, they can never be trusted. That's the core issue with Enneagram 9. You never know where they stand. If you want to know if an Enneagram 9 is integrating self-actualized or actually going in the direction of disintegration, the difference between an entranced Enneagram 9 and a self-actualized Enneagram 9 is that the entranced Enneagram 9 will first try to find out what your tastes are. Enneagram 9 will find out everything about you and will mirror exactly what you need. A self-actualized Enneagram 9 will have their own tastes, their own likes, and they will tell you before you speak what they like and what they think. Potentially even burning you in time, like jumping ahead of you to say the thing just to make sure that they're not going to screw up. From that moment on, they can sacrifice their own position for your own sake, for your sake, for whatever you need. Enneagram 9 self-actualized will display in that the person takes position. Enneagram 9, both entranced and self-actualized, will not involve in debate. If they do, it's because something extremely important is going on. Possibly someone they love needs their intervention. So basically, Enneagram 9, loving mother or loving father, unconditional love, and not taking position, avoiding conflict. This is everything I have about Enneagram 9 for the moment. Hope this video wasn't confusing and explained something, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.